what's going on? I'm here to do a really quick review on this Kate Spade item that I picked up from TJMAXX. This particular item, I had saw it back during Christmas time and I didn't pick it up, and then I went back to go get it and it was gone. And so I was like, dang, I need to I really do want this or whatever. So I end up going into TJMAXX not too long ago, y'all, and they had 2 of them. So I was like, oh, I got to go ahead and get it. So here it is, and this is the Kate Spade. It's kind of like a little card case, but it's called the Slim Bifold card holder, and it's in the color black. And it retails for $89, and I got it at TJMAXX for for $24.99, which is a great deal. But here is the front part of it, and I thought this was the cutest thing. And then here's the back, and then it comes with this little thing that you can attach your keys, or you can either attach it to your purse and you just push that down in there. So this is the feature that I like about it or whatever. And then you open it. Let me take these out of here. But y'all, I was so happy when I saw this. I was like, yes, they got it back. So I hurry up and snatch that up real fast. But anyway, here's the inside of it. And you just stick your little cards right there. I just have a couple of little store cards I'm gonna stick in here, and then you can stick probably about 2 per each thing. And you can stick something back there. And then you also could stick, you know, if you have your ID or something, you can stick that in there. And so you just stick your little stuff in there. And then if you have, you know, some cash, you can also, you know, tuck that instead of putting a card. Or you can put the card and the money in there. You can just tuck that in there as well. And it's still closed. This is so freaking cute. Y'all, I'm so glad I end up finding this again. Because I had went on the website and looked, and they were a little bit more. So I was like, I'll just wait. Because normally with TJMAXX, if you see something, especially little wallets and items like these or whatever, they normally, you know, you'll see them come back. If not, you can check another TJMAXX and they may have it or whatever. But like I said, you can do that, or you probably can put that in there if you don't want it hanging, and then just have it like this. But y'all, thought this was the neatest thing. But once again, it is the Slim Bifold card holder in the color black. And y'all, I just paid $25 for it. Bam, there it is. Super duper cute. And this would be good to go in like a little small crossbody or mini backpack, or you know, something like that, because it doesn't take up a lot of room. Even though it's a card holder, you can always use it as a, you know, a mini wallet also. So I just want to show this with you guys. Well, share this with you guys. And like always, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.